Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an arrow key game on Scratch. Let's delete Scratch Cat, and we need two sprites, so click on this button that says choose a sprite. Macy, which sprites should I choose?
Okay, so we need one attacker, which is going to be you, the player, and you're going to be trying to attack the other sprite. And then when you get it, you get some prize, or the sprite dies or whatever. So I'm thinking we should do shark and fish. So the shark will go get the fish, and you are the shark.
Good idea. Let's do that. So we're going to get those two sprites. All right, now that we have those two sprites, let's start coding the shark to move when you press the arrow keys. First, you're going to go to when start clicked. Drag that out into your menu, then go to looks and scroll down until you see show. Drag that and attach it to when start clicked. All right, now you're going to go back to events and find when space key pressed and drag it out to your workspace. Now that basically means that when you press the space key, something happens. But we don't want it to be the space key. We want it to be the arrow keys. So you're going to click space and a drop-down menu will come. Now you have to have 4 arrows, so we're going to have to do 4 different codes. Let's start with up arrow. Now go to motion and drag out change Y by 10 and attach it to when up arrow key pressed. Now when you click the start button and you use the up arrow, it will go up. Now we're going to do this again. We're going to get one space key pressed. We're going to click to the drop-down menu, but we're going to go to down arrow this time. Then you're going to go and get change Y by 10, but you're going to make it -10. Now try using your down arrow key and see what happens. Does it go down like mine? Tell us in the comments below. Okay, now let's do the next arrow. So drag down that same block from events and click right arrow. Now you're going to change X by 10. See what happens. Does it go right? Yeah, it does. Now go back to events again. When space key pressed, click the drop-down menu, click left arrow, go to motion, scroll down until you see change X by 10, but make it -10. Now see if that works. Try all your arrows, up, down, right, and left. Does it work? I'm sure it does. Now let's code this shark to say, when it touches the fish, it will, let's say, kill the fish. Let's just say that, because sharks eat fish. So go to events and click when start clicked again. Now go to control and say if then.
You might remember this from when I did the last video of talk tos.
Yep. Now go to sensing and click touching mouse pointer and put that in here. I'm going to scroll there. But now you're going to make the mouse pointer. You're going to get the drop-down menu and click on fish. So that means if touching fish, then a certain thing will happen. So if it touches fish, let's go to looks and let's say I ate you fish. I don't know.
I love the smiley face at the end.
All right, and then maybe we can make the next costume. I don't know. All right, so let's try that and let's see if that when it touches the fish, it'll do that. Okay, so it's not working because we also have to put it here. Okay, so we're at our fish. Click back to the fish sprite and then when start clicked, go back to control, if blank, then sensing, touching, mouse pointer, drop down menu, shark 2, then say, ah.
What you can also do is, what I'm thinking is, he says, I ate you, fish, right? He says 2. So maybe this guy waits for like 2.5 seconds and then like responds to him basically. And you can do this by messages, but since we're doing like touching shark and all that, we're just gonna keep it with, okay, so now we move it. Oh, I know what we did wrong. Ha, see, we're learning. Do forever.
Oh yeah, right.
So
yeah.
if you click the flag and it's not touching, that's it. All right. Oh, you didn't.
Ha.
I ate you, fish.
Ah. Ach. And he keeps doing it.
Yep.
I love that
Yep.
costume. All right, but now basically we have the game. So I'm gonna change a backdrop just to make it an ocean. So you go to backdrops, you go to this button, then you can basically choose any of these. So I think there's an underwater one.
Yeah, do underwater one.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, yeah.
So basically, yeah, that's basically it. But what you want to do is you want to make it a challenge, right? You don't want the fish to just be in one place because that's just super simple. So we want to make the fish moving. So what we're going to do is you're going to go to motion and glide 1 sec to random position. Oh, we're going to put that in the forever.
Yeah.
Because if it just does it once, then what's the point? And see, now it's just
moving around. And you can also make it a little bit slower because I feel like this is a bit easy. So we can do 6. Now we try it. Go. And now he moves.
Let's get that fish.
Get the fish. I ate you, fish. And he goes, ah. And so every single time he touches it, he does that.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe,
and share with your friends. And bye.
Bye.